Usually, when school began, there was a great buzz. Now, let's try to understand. When that particular day, French reached the school, he is remembering one important thing, how it used to be the atmosphere of the school normally, usually the other days, and how it is different today. These two are the important things. How it used to be normally on earlier days, how it was today, and how these two are different. See that. Usually, when school began, there was a great buzz. Earlier days, there used to be a noisy confusion in the school. See, what is this noisy confusion? This noise, which could be heard out in the street. What was the noise? This is important thing. See, the opening and closing of desks, lessons repeated in unison, very loud, with our hands over our ears to understand better, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. These three things. Once again, let's revise. Earlier days, the children opening and closing of their desk, noise definitely came. And also, lessons repeated in unison. In unison means all together, in chorus. Group voice. The children used to start reading their tables, their alphabet, etc. very loudly. This was a common scene. See this one. With our hands over our ears to understand better. It is a common understanding among the younger children. They would simply put their fingers like this and do this kind of activity. There is a common assumption that this way they can understand the lesson better. So this was the activity. One more noise used to be there. Teacher's great ruler, the stick, rapping on the table means knocking, hitting on the table. So there used to be a noisy confusion every day. But how it was today and how it was different from all the other earlier days. See, but now it was also still. I had counted the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. Every day, it was complete silence today. Earlier days, see, French used to depend on this noisy confusion to stealthily, secretly enter into the class and go to his seat and sit there, not seen by anybody, particularly not observed or seen by the teacher. So he used to take the advantage of this noisy confusion every other day. But what will he do today? So counted on means rely upon or depended upon without being seen. Fine. But of course, that day, everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. This is an important thing. How it is different today. This morning, school has started. Students are there, very well sat on their desks. Teacher is there. But the atmosphere of the school or the classroom is just like Sunday morning, as if it was a holiday. Nobody was there in the school. See, as quiet as Sunday morning. See how? This is an important question. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places. No noise, not talking, not moving here and there, already on their places. And Amable, teacher has been introduced here. Amable walking up and down with this terrible iron ruler stick, right? Under his arm here. Now what will friends do? I had to open the door and go in before everybody. Open the door, enter the classroom. Everybody has seen him. Teacher has also seen French is entering. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened. Two important emotions. Blushed and I was frightened. Blushed means because of fear, his cheek turned red. He felt embarrassed. This is an embarrassment. And frightened, great fear. Now the teacher will definitely give him punishment for coming late. So this was a different scene, completely a different scenario in the school that French noticed this particular day. But more surprises are waiting. This was the first and the only surprise. But more surprises are waiting for French. See, nothing happened. Amable saw me and said very kindly. This was the second surprise for French. What did he say to French? Go to your place quickly, little French. We were beginning without you. French was expecting he will be scolded, he will be given punishment. But what did the teacher say? He spoke to this little boy very politely, very kindly. Go to your place quickly. French, little boy, we were beginning without you. French is surprised. The behavior of the teacher. Now, see, I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I got a little over of fright, the fear reduced a little. Did I say that our teacher had on this beautiful green coat? This is the third important surprise which was waiting for French. He noticed something about the teacher. The teacher had put on beautiful green coat, see, frilled shirt, and a little black silk cap. And this cap is all embroidered. To completely different color dress. There was embroidery on the cap. Then French remembered कि when did teacher used to wear this particular dress? See, he never wore except on inspection and prize days. This was a special dress that this poor teacher had, and he used to put on this dress on inspection days, on the prize days. Right? So this was a surprise. Why did the teacher wear this special dress? Is it a special day? This was the third surprise. But the biggest surprise is still waiting. See what is it? See, this probably is the last one, but the biggest one. Besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. But the thing that surprised me most, biggest surprise, was to see that on the back benches that were always empty. The back benches of the class remained every day, every other day empty. But they were no more empty today. See, the village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old, see who are these village people? Village people had come and they were sitting there. Who are these people? Old Hauser, he was wearing his three-cornered hat. The former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others besides. So many other villagers had come. And everybody looked sad. This is a common expression over their faces. They looked sad and solemn. And see, the old Hauser had brought an old primer. This primer is primary textbook of learning, elementary textbook of learning. Thumbed at the edges, like see, you can see my textbook, thumbed like the corners were, they turn like this. Generally, children do this. And he held it open on his knees. On his knees, he opened the textbook, and his great spectacles, his glasses, lying across the pages. So looked sad. They have brought their old textbook that they used during their childhood when they attended the school, and all were very, very sad.